Some say desk number 13's typewriter writes by itself, its keys rattling late at night, spelling out secrets no one dared to confess. But what if the real curse isn't supernatural at all? Before we dive in, tap like and subscribe to support the channel, and drop a heart in the comments if you love a good scare. The myth of the haunted typewriter thrives on the power of suggestion. When we expect something eerie, our brains fill in the gaps. This is called confirmation bias. Our minds find proof for what we already believe. Here's a twist. Studies show haunted objects often impact our behavior, even when we know they aren't real. Have you ever felt chills from an object's story? Share below.